Hello and welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to create a new class, okay, and I'm going to show you how to create a class, and we will actually do this project, okay, mini project. Here you can see create a class called student. So let's create a class. So we'll actually delete this class, okay, from the source app.java. We're going to delete it. Why? Because now we are going to actually create a package at first. So to create a package we are in source, right? So just right click on source and then go for new Java package, okay, and here press the name my Java packages, okay, enter source, and here you can see my Java packages. Now we will actually select this and go for this new file. If you click here and then now let's say I want to create a class, so I will say the class name will be students, right? Students.java. And here you can see my package, my Java package, and the class is students. So our first criteria is done, right? Create a class called students. So you can actually set here public and then class and then class name. So class name is students, okay. Now we need to create a main method, so we'll say here main, and here you can see public static void main. So this is the main method, and here we actually want to show what? Student ID, name, and CGPA. Okay, now let's say I want to print student ID, okay. We will say system system dot out dot println. Here I'm going to say student ID, right? Student underscore ID colon, and here I'm going to say plus here I'm going to say student ID is what? 101, and then I will go to the next line. I will say system, I will say println, let's say, and here I'm going to say student underscore name is Yamin, okay, and what? Println here, oops, error. Okay, we have to say here out, okay, and then println here I will say student CGPA, right, underscore CGPA 3.30. Now let's say I want to run this, so I will say run. All right, and I will say run Java. Here you can see student ID 101, student name Yamin, and student CGPA 3.30. So it's showing perfectly, right? So that's it. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.